Welcome, aspiring millionaires, to our YouTube channel Earning Edge. Today, we're going to delve into the Rulebook followed by the world's wealthiest individuals. Welcome to our life-changing video, where we uncover the secrets to becoming a millionaire and achieving a lifestyle of abundance and financial freedom. These rules are not just arbitrary guidelines. They are the cornerstones followed by those who have unlocked the doors to extraordinary wealth and success. By embracing these principles, individuals have transformed their lives, creating a lifestyle marked by limitless possibilities and opportunities. Unparalleled financial freedom, experiences of luxury and abundance, opportunities for personal growth and fulfillment, ability to make a positive impact on society. Host. In this video, we will explore each of these rules in detail and understand why they are crucial to our own journey towards financial prosperity. Get ready to learn how financial discipline, continuous learning, strategic investing, entrepreneurship, persistence, networking, and giving back can shape our lives and help us attain the lifestyle we've always dreamed of. So, let's dive in and discover the path to becoming a millionaire and living a life of true abundance. Remember, these rules are not just concepts. They are life-changing principles that can elevate us to new heights. Buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey that will transform your mindset, redefine your possibilities, and pave the way for a life of wealth and fulfillment. Unlocking the millionaire lifestyle. Rule of financial discipline. Rule number 1. Financial discipline. Successful millionaires understand the importance of living below their means, budgeting, and avoiding unnecessary debt. By practicing financial discipline, they can accumulate savings and invest them wisely, ultimately resulting in long-term wealth growth and financial stability. It brings following result in you like accumulated savings, reduced debt burden, improved financial stability, continuous learning. Rule number 2. Continuous learning. The wealthy never stop expanding their knowledge. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with mentors who can guide them on their journey to success. By continuously learning and acquiring new skills and insights, millionaires are better equipped to identify lucrative opportunities and make informed investment decisions. Result consequence by continuous learning. Enhanced knowledge and expertise, sharpened decision-making abilities, increased ability to spot profitable opportunities. Strategic investing. Rule number 3. Strategic investing. Millionaires understand that wealth is built through investments. They carefully analyze opportunities, diversify their portfolios, and take calculated risks. By strategically investing their capital, they can generate passive income, capitalize on market trends, and benefit from the power of compounding over time. Result consequence by strategic investing. Passive income generation. Capital growth through market trends. Leveraging the power of compounding. Rule of entrepreneurship. Rule number 4. Entrepreneurship. Many millionaires have created their wealth by starting and growing their own businesses. They embrace innovation, identify market needs, and build scalable enterprises. Entrepreneurship offers limitless potential for financial success, providing opportunities for exponential growth and substantial profile. Result consequence by entrepreneurship. Potential for exponential growth, opportunities for substantial profits. Control over financial destiny. Part 5. Rule of persistence and resilience. Rule number 5. Persistence and resilience. The path to becoming a millionaire is often filled with challenges and setbacks. Successful individuals never give up. They persevere through failures, learn from their mistakes, and use setbacks as stepping stones toward their goals. By maintaining a resilient mindset and persisting in the face of adversity, millionaires overcome obstacles and achieve long-term success. Result consequence by persistence and resilience, adaptability, and learning from failures. Overcoming obstacles and setbacks. Achievement of long-term success. Part 6. Rule of networking and collaboration. Rule number 6. Networking and collaboration. Millionaires understand the value of relationships. They actively network, seek partnerships, and surround themselves with like-minded individuals. Collaborations can open doors to new opportunities, synergistic ventures, and valuable connections, accelerating their wealth-building journey. Result consequence by networking and collaboration. Access to new opportunities, synergistic ventures and partnerships, valuable connections and support network. Part 7. Rule of giving back. Rule number 7. Giving back. True wealth goes beyond financial abundance. Successful millionaires understand the importance of making a positive impact on society. They contribute to charitable causes, mentor others, and share their knowledge to uplift others on their path to success. By giving back, millionaires not only make a difference in the lives of those in need, but also cultivate a sense of fulfillment and gratitude, which further enhances their overall wealth and well-being. Result consequence by giving back. Making a positive impact on society. Cultivating a sense of fulfillment and gratitude. Enhancing overall wealth and well-being. Wake up. And there you have it, the Millionaire's Rulebook, a collection of powerful principles that guide the world's wealthiest individuals. By embracing financial discipline, continuous learning, strategic investing, entrepreneurship, persistence, networking, and giving back, you can set yourself on the path to achieving your financial dreams. Remember, these rules aren't just for the select few, they're accessible to anyone willing to adopt them. Start implementing them today.